Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Newton, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers is Newton's top-rated local moving company known for their efficiency in carrying out relocation. Their credibility is their hallmark, and their collaboration skills endear them to residents of Newton. They also have several years of experience facilitating local moves around Newton and charge an hourly rate for their service. They can relocate you without supervision within the city, and you can rest assured that your property will be intact throughout the relocation process. Whether you're looking for a local mover to conduct your entire process or give up your shipment containers to pack your items and ship them to your new destination, you can depend on 3 Movers' credibility to facilitate a smooth relocation. Newton's long-distance movers, such as 3 Movers, will ensure a cost-effective and hitch-free long-distance relocation for commercial, residential purposes, or item shipping. They understand the daunting task of moving fragile household items and larger office items, and these experts have efficient technicalities to convey them to your current location to your new destination, whether a distance of more than 100 miles or overseas. For a long-distance move, they're focused on the distance you intend to cover and the items you are seeking to move. And unlike 3 Movers, you'll be given a price to check that is determined by those above. 3 Movers also has a practical storage solution that guarantees your items' safety before you enter the new city or your residence or business. They can also hold them if you want to move in bits or downsize for as long as you want. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Newton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.